would for a regular step up. We want a box that doesn't put us too high, where that knee is way above the hip, and you also don't want one that's too low where you're coming down into a lunge. So we're gonna start opposite arm drive here, and then as you push through that top leg, you're gonna leave the box as the other knee drives. So good position at the top, nice, slow, stable landing at the bottom. Remember, this is a plyometric exercise, so make sure your clients are ready for it before you have them do it. Give it a shot, let us know what you think.